Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set the countdown timers on your Garmin Instinct 2X solar watch. This is also the same process for the Instinct 2 as well as the Instinct 1. The biggest difference is on the 2 or 2X models. You can also do this on your Garmin Connect app and then simply sync them over to your watch. But I'm going to be showing you how to do it on the watch. You can get to the timers multiple ways. The delivered way from Garmin is going to be by pressing and holding the bottom right button. That's your set button. When you press and hold that, it's going to take you to your clocks menu, and under there you've got some different options like your alarms, your stopwatch, so on and so forth. You can use the up or down button. What you want to do is go to timers in this example. I'm going to press the GPS button. You'll notice it says set a quick timer. If I press the GPS button, it will take us into that setting for our quick timer. A quick timer is basically just a timer that you go to and you start and you stop it. It's not a save timer. It doesn't really have any specific functions as far as what I'll be showing you here in a second with our saved ones. It's going to default you to minutes. If you wanted to set an hour value, you would simply press the bottom right button, which is the back button, and that will take you to your hours setting. You can use the up or down button to go through and choose the given hour value that you want. I'm going to leave mine at 0. Press GPS, it'll take us to our minutes. Again, you can set whatever minute value you want. What's kind of cool with the Garmin watches is you can actually just set a second countdown timer. So if you don't want any hours, any minutes, you just want to set a 30-second countdown timer, you can do that. Most watches, like your Casio watches, 1 minute is the minimum that they'll let you set. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to set let's do a 59-second quick timer. That's my quick timer. Up at the top here, I've got my current time, 2:58 p.m. I've got my quick timer value, and now I've got a play button over here on the side. If I press the GPS button, that will start my countdown timer. At the bottom right, you're going to see the starting value, which was 59 seconds. In the middle, you will have your current countdown timer value, and then at the top right, you're going to have this little pie chart that shows you the amount of time remaining in your timer. If I press GPS again, that will pause. Press it another time, that will resume. I can always press the bottom left button to restart it. You'll notice because it wasn't stopped, the minute I restarted it, it restarted. If I had it stopped and then I did it, it will not automatically resume like it did before. That's the quick timer. Now, what if I wanted to save that? You'll notice these 3 dots on the left-hand side. If I press the menu button, it will take me into the options for that timer, and one of them is going to be to save it. The minute I save that timer, it is no longer my quick timer, it is a saved timer. So if I go back, I still have my quick timer, but now I've also got this saved timer value in here of 59 seconds. I can go down and add an additional timer. So if I do add timer, maybe this one I want to do a 2-hour timer. Now I've got a 2-hour timer that's out there. Again, if I press the menu button, I can go down. Before we save it, there are some options you can choose. I could adjust the time if I wanted to. Do I want the timer to automatically restart? So in this example, after the 2-hour timer is completed, do I want it to automatically start it again or not? That would be what the auto restart would be. Pressing GPS will toggle that on or off. What do I want? How do I want to be notified whenever the timer is done? Under sound and vibration, I can choose none. That would mean it'll show me on the screen that the timer is done, but there will be no sound and no vibration. Tone and vibrate means I will get a sound and a vibration. Vibration only would just be vibration, and then you could just do tone only if you wanted to. And then last but not least, I could delete the given timer. I'm going to go ahead and press back. Now I've got 2 timers out there that are saved. I've still got my quick timer. You will always have a quick timer. I can save up to 10 different countdown timers if I want to. And to go in and delete any of those, just choose the given one. So for example, that 2-hour timer that we just created, I'm going to press the GPS button. I'm going to press the menu button once I'm in the timer, and I'm going to press the up button to get to the bottom of my list, and there's an option to delete it. That's pretty much it. The only other thing would be if you wanted to edit a timer, you could go down to the bottom, choose edit timer. It's going to ask you which one do you want to edit. In my case, I only have one that's saved out there, which was that 59-second timer. If I choose it, I can go into the editor and I can edit the time, the auto restart value, sound and vibration, same stuff we looked at before. I should mention that you do not have to stay in the timer screen, so let me go back to my quick timer and let's just do a 1 hour, 59-minute quick timer. When the timer is going, if you want to go to a different screen, you totally can. Unfortunately, you cannot see it from your main watch face. There's no way to add a data field to show your timer value. If you wanted to go in and see your timer, you would need to press the bottom right button. That will take you back to your timer and you can look at it from a glance. I can see that my timer is running. If I wanted to go in and see more specific details or make this larger while I'm on timers, I would press GPS and that takes me back into my timer view. Again, I've got my current time, I've got the current time. Press it again and I can go in to the more detailed view. But long story short is that you can leave your timer running in the background and go do other things on the watch. Anyway, that's a quick look at the countdown timer functionality on the Garmin Instinct 2X. I hope the video helps.